We all know how easy it is to go viral on TikTok. You can literally blow up overnight. Everybody wants that for their business page, but you need to be prepared. We're getting into how to create a TikTok content strategy for your business page. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. If those topics interest you, I definitely suggest subscribing. So we're gonna get into a little backstory that kind of led me to creating this type of video. I started my TikTok account in 2020. I had no idea how TikTok worked, but I did used to have a YouTube channel sharing makeup content, makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials. I used to be a freelance makeup artist. You get where I'm going. When everyone kind of realized how fast TikTok works, I was like, yeah, makeup content, that's what I'll do. So I was kind of creating makeup videos. I didn't really know what direction I wanted to go in terms of content. I didn't really want to do too much tutorials. So I was kind of testing the waters and see what I was comfortable with my content creation and trying to stay consistent with that. Eventually, I started a business selling handmade jewelry. I got immersed into small business TikTok and I decided to make a video on how to kind of edit a jewelry photo using the iPhone Photos app editor to make the photo look really nice and professional looking, literally just on an iPhone. And that video blew up. I got like 2 million views. I got a whole bunch of followers from business owners hoping to see more content like this from me. And then I decided I didn't really want to post business photo editing content. Then I kind of went back to posting makeup content and literal crickets. My engagement was terrible. Nobody interacted with my posts. I'm pretty sure a lot of people unfollowed because that's not what they signed up for. So I'm telling you this to say you need to be prepared to go viral. When coming up with your TikTok content strategy, you need to think of the type of content that you can create and create often. Not just about going viral on TikTok and sharing content that's going to get you sales. It's about creating content that you know you can stay consistent with. For me, I really didn't want to sit down and do a whole face of makeup every single day just to get one 30-second video out of it. First, that was a waste of makeup and it really didn't go with my schedule, so I kind of stayed away from doing that. Imagine if I did post one video doing my whole entire face that went viral. People who would follow me would be expecting more content like that, and I just wouldn't have been able to deliver. So just keep this in mind when you are thinking about content that you can create and post on TikTok. Another great strategy to keep in mind when you are trying to grow your TikTok account is to think about creating a series. When you think of a successful TikTok creator and their page, there's usually one thing that they're known for. For example, Charli D'Amelio, she's known for dancing. If you're in the makeup community, Meredith is known for really packing on a lot of makeup in her makeup process. Basically, all of these people are known for something, kind of capitalized off of that one video that went viral, tweaked it in a whole bunch of different ways to kind of satisfy their audience and also come up with new content ideas, staying in that same kind of category. So I'm not saying that you have to box yourself in with one type of content, one type of video, but kind of keep this method in the back of your mind. If one video does go viral, you've done your pre-planning so you know that you can kind of tweak it different ways and to create a series off of it so that the people who are enjoying your videos have something to look forward to, or have something to come back to, or have something to binge on your page. Start understanding you and remembering you as a creator, and then eventually they'll become a loyal member of your community. So if you are kind of just starting off your TikTok account brand new, or if you're trying to revive it, I would definitely suggest to kind of play around with different types of video ideas. Try different things when you're just starting so you can see what's working for you as a creator and how your audience or how the For You page responds to your content. You can either do trends, original audio videos, ASMR, whatever the heck you're thinking about. Post it and see how it goes. But I cannot stress enough to make sure that any type of content you're posting is sustainable for you. Pay attention to the feedback you're getting from the comments. You don't really have to pay too much attention to the views because TikTok is a little funny. One video will get 20 views, another video will get 200 views, another video will go over 1,000. That doesn't necessarily mean that that piece of content is bad or better than something else, but don't give up on something just because it didn't get enough views. You need to be consistent, constantly analyze the performance of your content, and you'll know when you get some real feedback. Do what works for you and don't give up because you don't need to go viral to grow your account. One success story that I have for you, I actually recently created an actual TikTok account for my business page. I started it 3 months ago. We are now heading into October. I haven't gone viral once, but I managed to rack up 1,000 followers. And this is just a reminder that vanity metrics metrics are not everything. You can have 100,000 followers, still get no sales. You can have 1,000 followers, really loyal, engaged community. Another reminder that going viral is not everything and does not even guarantee sales. Just a couple tips when you are creating content and thinking of a TikTok content strategy. Definitely incorporate trends. They are very good at boosting your visibility when it's done just right, or when the algorithm lets it happen. I would mention that you should stay away from the small business content, small business audios. You don't need to create content with just a "hi, I'm a small business owner" audio on your video. Most of the times that does not get you sales. Instead of posting content that's telling people that you're a small business owner, share what your brand is about, share how your products and your offers can help people in your target audience. Give them a reason to want to buy your product instead of just telling them that you're a small business owner. And lastly, when in doubt, keep your concepts very simple. You need an entire production for a 30-second video on TikTok to go viral, to do well. There are tons of videos that have absolutely no point to them that blow up overnight, so don't take it too seriously, but do stay consistent. And always just remember to kind of go back to what you're doing, analyze the performance, see what's working and see what's not. If you got anything from this video, I really appreciate if you leave a like down below. It really does help out my channel. If you'd like to see more content like this, I definitely suggest subscribing. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!